Hi guys, welcome back. Nautical Ninja here, and welcome to Blender tutorial number 5. Today we're going to be making a rock that looks basically like this. By the way, this video is based on CG Geek's making a rock in 1 minute tutorial. This is just gonna make it more clear. Also, we're not gonna do like any of the shading stuff, cause yeah. So anyway, let's get started. So as you see here, we're in the default area. What you want to do is take your default cube, go to modifiers, add subdivision surface, make both of these 5. Alright, once you do that, go to displace, add a new texture, go to textures, go here, choose Voronoi. Make the size around 1.2 or 1.3. I like 1.29, 1.3, something like that. Put the intensity down to maybe 800, 700, doesn't really matter. Let's do this. And then make the strength somewhere around 800. Now, press this little edit mode thingy right here, as you see. You just click on this. Go to edit mode. And you can adjust your rock to look more rocky. So just drag out some of these, like this. Maybe choose this side right here. Alright, that looks a bit good. Now you want to do shade smooth. And now for the texture. You go to shading. Make sure you have this. If you don't have any of these, just click add new, press the plus button. Alright, so to get the texture, go to this link in the description, and you should see this. You can download 2K or 4K, which it doesn't really matter which one. And after that, you go here, you click this, and you press extract all. Let's just replace the previous texture files. Once you finish extracting, go back to Blender, and then do do Control-Shift-T. Now you should just go to Downloads. You should see the folder right here. Select all of these. Press this. Go to Layout. Press Material, and boom! Now you have your rock. You can do this for literally any rock you want, and it'll always be random. And there is a way to make the rock texture like be random each time when you like duplicate it and stuff, but that's for another video. So see you next time, guys, and goodbye. That was a fast tutorial, guys. I forgot to add, make sure to apply. Alright, now goodbye.